I really like to be hands-on, and I like to help, and I just want to build, kind of create things, work with people, solve problems. I was on a path and I was certain when I came to college what I wanted to do, but when I started the management, I was like, I don't know what direction I want to go in. And then I took a class with Professor White in project management. I was like, I wonder if I could see myself here. And so I've been working on the Regent's renovation project. I've been going down daily, weekly to take progress photos of what's going on in the different sites and stuff, and then logging that. So if we ever needed to go back and be like, what happened on this day? Opus reached out, the company that's doing the renovation, and I spoke with the project manager on our personal project, and he just gave me so much advice, and it's just really changed the way I've looked at everything, and it's changing what I'm going to do after Luther, and it really opened my eyes to I didn't have to wait and kind of trial and error figure that out. Yeah, and this experience with the internship in the summer is just going to be life-changing.
For Zoe, it gives her a much better understanding of the path forward to become a project manager, for example. She's able to sit in on meetings, see how different meetings are run, see how a project is scheduled, the day-to-day needs of subcontractors, owners, coordination with the school, and she has a much better understanding of what a day in the life of a project manager would be in construction.
I think that the heavy liberal arts part where you're communicating, you're talking, you're always working on your interpersonal soft skills really was what helped, because it's such a big part of project management and construction management is communication between all the different people and parts involved. And that's what I've gotten as the biggest compliment, is that I'm really good at communicating, and that a lot of people have heard of me because of how much I'm willing to reach out and do that. And I don't think without Luther I would have been like that. I definitely wasn't like this in high school. So I think that through Luther, just having to put yourself out there in class and in papers and speeches and stuff like that, I really was able to foster that communication and interpersonal skills.